Today we're talking about choosing the right attorney for you. Family law cases are extremely personal. They involve your kids and your property. And so it's really important that you make sure that you trust the person that you hire, and also that that attorney is communicating with you in a way that you understand. So there's a couple of things that I want you to consider as you're interviewing attorneys. First, you should make sure that the attorney's philosophy lines up with what you're expecting from your attorney. There are some clients who want a really aggressive attorney who's going to go in there and fight for them and win for them in court. And that's great. That is not my personal style. And so if I sense on an initial phone call with a potential client that that's what they're looking for, I will often steer them in a different direction or suggest that they maybe talk to some other attorneys as well. Not that it doesn't mean that it couldn't work, but I want to make sure that I'm fulfilling the client's expectations. And so you should get a good read for how the attorney handles the case and whether that's going to mesh with what you want. Second, you should also make sure that you understand what the attorney is saying to you. Does the attorney explain himself or herself in a way that makes sense, or is it full of legal jargon that you don't understand? You also want to make sure that you know who the attorney that you'll be working with is. Is it the person on the phone call with you, or is there someone else in the firm that will be handling your matter? Please check out the blog post below for a couple of more tips on questions to ask when you're hiring an attorney. And as always, if you have any questions, I'm here to help.